Hi everyone, it's me, Teresa McKelvey with Yarn Shop Around the Corner. Hope you're all having a lovely day whenever you see this. Kind of got you at a different angle and it's really bright for me because I'm facing the window. I'm going to turn it a little bit to kind of center myself a little bit better, maybe. I don't know. Hi. It's been a while since I've done a video, and this will not be a long one. I will do another video at another point in time where I kind of catch you up with my Stephen West knitting shawl project and all my projects, and kind of just talk about knitting and crochet as the hobby and art form and creative outlet that it is. But this is just predominantly about the shop video. So, hi. Okay, so first I want to tell you we are still doing our chemo hats, and so we're still collecting those. We'll be doing that until December, so I just want to remind you about that, and then that we are also doing the preemie hats and blankets, and baby hats and blankets. So if you want to contribute to that, we'll be doing that and turning those all in January. So still doing that. I want to tell you about some Malabrigo that I have new in. I have only a little bit, and I even hesitate to say that I have it because as soon as I put it up, I already, sold a good bit of it. So I do have a little bit of the mohair and the sock yarn, ultimate sock yarn. So, but I'm loving it, and I think it's something I'm going to continue. So, I think that predominantly my shop is probably going to be and should be in the long range of things, in the big scale, and the big, I don't know, what I'm trying to say is that I think I should mainly carry Malabrigo, but I'm not for sure about that, so I'm not gonna like put myself in that whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to put myself, declare that for the shop because I really don't know. But I really just love Malabrigo, however you say it, Malabrigo. I love their yarn, and I love all the different weights in it. And so I just think that it is wonderful crochet for crocheters and for knitters. It's just a good yarn and a good price point, a good product. It's easy to care for. So anyway, I just want to let you know that I have that. If it's something that you know for a fact you would like, I don't, before you travel here, let me know and I will order more of it for you. And then let you know, as soon as it comes in. That is pretty much, I want to let you know that I'm open this Sunday. We'll be open for the Christmas open house downtown Dadeville. I highly recommend you come and check it out. All the businesses will be open. The town is already decorated. It is such a little Hallmark town when they've got it all decorated up nice. All the shops are going to be out. We, Tina at Cottage Creations and I have actually got, just whopped myself in the face, have actually got something a little bit special going on. So I'll be doing a little video with her about that for Talking Shop. But it's just, we're all going out of our way to, it is early in the season. I'll admit that's kind of hard, but it's, we try to really give you that local, downtown, personal attention and ease of shopping where it isn't hectic. It isn't, grab and go and non-personal. So I hope that you'll take advantage of that. Like I said, that's coming on this weekend. There's a lot of the businesses that'll be open. And so I just think it's going to be a lot of fun. So this Sunday, I'm going to say the time, and I'm going to be wrong. I say it's from 1 to 5. But check all your social media. The Dadeville Chambers put out a bunch of information about it. And so that will be this Sunday. Christmas open house at downtown Dadeville. They've already got it all decorated. I saw the beautification board was out yesterday. They were doing such a lovely job. So this whole video was to let you know, hey, I'm still here, and I will be having another video come out later. I wanted to tell you about, she hears me talking, but she couldn't see me as Tina walked by. I wanted to let you know about our chemo hats, our preemie hats. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Malabrigo yarn, and about Christmas open house. So I hope to see you soon, and to tell you that I do have a more updated video coming out soon where I will do a little bit more talking about my projects and where my mind is at going forward. And so I hope you all have a great day. I can't wait to see you in the shop soon, and that's it. Okay, bye.